Hello everyone, I'm Jake Lang back for another review. This time it's original amp energy. As I said yesterday, Mountain Dew is still on here. There's a history behind of amp, by the way, before we get down to the nitty gritty. Back in 2001, that's when amp came out. But somehow they had different each year somehow they keep going for rebranding of cans. So they discontinued the Mountain Dew amp one and rebranded it for this year only amp energy. Technically, though, I think PepsiCo should have just kept amp instead of going for Mountain Dew Rise or Mountain Dew Energy, because there's no aspartame in this one. You do get guarana seed extract, though. There are sweeteners in this one, because here's the nutritional facts for this one. 220 calories, no total fat, 140 milligrams of sodium, 58 grams of total carbs, 58 grams of sugars, 58 grams added sugars. No protein. You think this is healthy, right? I don't think it is, because of all that sugar. But there's more. Riboflavin 0.7 milligrams. Niacin 4 milligrams. Vitamin B6 0.3 milligrams. Vitamin B12 1.2 micrograms and 2 milligrams of pantothenic acid. No vitamin C. PepsiCo did not add vitamin C to this. There's also carbonated water, but it's also misleading because it says contains 0% juice. There is juice as an ingredient, which is concentrated orange juice. There's also yellow 5 as well. There's also blue 1 as dyes as well too. But let's not keep rambling on about that. Let's try out the drink. Let's see if PepsiCo lived up to its potential on amp energy. Here's the color. It says original. It's supposed to be a citrusy color. That's why. The original Mountain Dew color. Hopefully it's a good flavor, because the last time I tried Mountain Dew amp, way before the rebranding, I didn't want to review that first, because I tried one can, didn't quite like it. Maybe I might like this one. Okay. I think Pepsi changed up the ingredients. Not sure if I'm correct though, if it's that good. Because it has that citrus flavor. The original Mountain Dew style taste. Yep, that's what it's tasting like. Now I'm gonna like this. Oh, I forgot to go over the caffeine content. The caffeine content of this is 142 milligrams of caffeine. So with their AMP Energy from PepsiCo, they're basically going for competing with Monster with that amount of caffeine. Think what you will of the drink, but this drink is basically trying to compete with Monster anyway. It's probably also one way for them to be a part of Rockstar Energy because of the AMP name. PepsiCo owns Rockstar. This is why they have the name AMP. They wanted to have AMP Energy as well. So they own 2 or 3 different companies because they own half of Celsius as well. They used to own half of Bang Energy till Jack Owoc left that company and wanted it full head on himself. And they got sued by PepsiCo. However, afterwards, this is why there was a lawsuit going on still between Monster and Bang Energy. So now, Jack Owoc doesn't have much lawsuits anymore because of that bankruptcy. This is why you get AI Energy now. I should get the more flavors of AI sometime, because there are more flavors. They also revamped the name too. If you go to their website of AI Energy, you'll see what the name is. So technically, I'm thinking about getting those again for you guys. Sorry about chugging the rest. I just want to hurry this video up so I can get on Star Wars: Galaxy of Heroes and the Star Trek timelines. It's also carbonated. I'll give that a high 9. So, But I'm not gonna be rating Amp Energy, since now this time I like it due to the rebranding and the change up of the ingredients. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. Well, tomorrow's review, as promised, Ghost Bubblicious tomorrow. Might get me a second energy drink to be on the safe side to keep me more alert. So, until tomorrow's video, MJ Klein's out. Peace out. See you in the next video. Later, everyone.